What's the meaning of covet? Covet. Covet.
Covet. Covet. Covet means to strongly desire or crave something that belongs to someone else, often leading to envy or jealousy. It is a feeling of yearning for something that is not easily attainable or out of reach. When one covets something, it may cause them to engage in harmful behaviors such as stealing or manipulating others to obtain it. This trait is generally considered negative as it can breed discontent and dissatisfaction with one's own circumstances and lead to unhealthy levels of competition with others.